Welcome to Istanbul, Turkey's vibrant metropolis where history and modernity collide. Immerse yourself in the enigmatic charms of this breathtaking city, filled with a rich tapestry of cultures, traditions, and unique experiences. Begin your journey in the mesmerizing Topkapi Palace, once home to Ottoman sultans. Explore its opulent halls, secret chambers, and stunning gardens, and feel the echoes of centuries past. Indulge your senses in the bustling Grand Bazaar, one of the world's oldest and largest covered markets. Lose yourself in its labyrinthine streets, adorned with vibrant colors and the aroma of exotic spices. Stroll along the scenic coastline of the Bosphorus, where Europe and Asia meet. Marvel at the majestic architecture of the Hagia Sophia and Blue Mosque, standing as testaments to Istanbul's rich history. Uncover the hidden gems of the city's neighborhoods, each offering a distinct atmosphere and charm. From trendy cafes and boutiques in Beyoğlu, to the traditional tea gardens of Kadıköy, there's something for everyone to discover. Experience the vibrant nightlife, as Istanbul comes alive with music, dance, and entertainment. Join in the energetic rhythms of traditional Turkish music or lose yourself in the beats of the city's thriving electronic scene. Treat your taste buds to a culinary adventure, sampling mouth-watering kebabs, savory mezes, and sweet delights like Turkish delight in baklava. The flavors of Istanbul will leave you craving for more. As you roam through Istanbul's bustling streets, you'll be greeted by warm smiles and genuine hospitality. The locals' passion for their city is infectious, making every moment of your journey unforgettable. So, come and explore the soul of Turkey's vibrant city. Discover the enigmatic charms of Istanbul, where ancient history meets contemporary life. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Happy travels!